Public health is everywhere. It's all about prevention, promotion, and protecting. We're wanting to prevent things from happening in the first place. We're wanting to promote healthy behaviors and resources. We're also wanting to protect people from diseases or developing different conditions.
What attracted me to public health at UNE is just how close-knit everything is here and like the sense of community, especially in the public health program.
What I knew about the public health program originally was just that there was a lot of hands-on learning, a lot of opportunities for internships and some travel abroad opportunities, and that really intrigued me.
Preparing students for careers in public health is extremely comprehensive here at UNE. We do curate their service learning opportunities for people to go into community. You're pursuing this service learning initiative in a different part of the world. So that's a very special opportunity for undergraduate students.
The interprofessional learning opportunities really helped open my eyes to how the different sectors can work together and communicate across disciplines. So UNE provided a really comprehensive and foundational education and public health knowledge, and I've been able to bring it to my job and my office.
We get hands-on experience in public health through simulations. We were able to experience a simulation of a routine checkup with a simulation dummy that had a real pulse, could blink, could breathe, and it was out of this world experience. And that hands-on experience will definitely carry through me through my career.
Public health is one of those degrees that really can go anywhere in the health world. You can go into being a public health official, like working on policies, and you could do what I'm doing. You could become a doctor with it.
My hope for public health graduates that they leave with a fire in their belly to make the world a better place through taking care of populations and communities, so improving where people live, work, learn, and play.